Okay, where we are going?
Okay, we're going to the beach. We're on Talbot Island. We're gonna watch the sunrise. Sunrise is gonna happen in approximately 16 minutes. So it gives us enough time to get there and watch the sun come up.
Right, it's gonna be fun.
See on TV. Real hunt. We're live, you know?
Wow, that was cool.
That was an amazing sight. And that was the day I did not bring my camera.
You always carrying a camera.
You know, after that, I'm always gonna carry my camera. Even if I don't see anything, I'm carrying it.
Exactly.
Going down on the sand. The name of the Lord is to be praised. From the rising of the sun to the going down of the same. The name of the Lord is to be praised.
It's coming. Is it beautiful? Wow, it's a cool place.
Some scouts come here.
I wish I would have sprayed myself, Thomas.
Hey, to hike.
Yeah.
Wow.
What? Oh my God!
Corey! Anybody else run up ahead of us?
Right there. Hi, Uncle Thomas.
Yeah, I see you. Yeah. One few higher
Somewhere
places.
cold, and this is the last place you want to be. You don't want to be up there. You want to be like somewhere walking with a wind.
No, look. Over here.
No, I had fun. I dropped it for you. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oops.
Plus he has a
Just keep going.
Tapped out. 3 count.
Guys! not climb on dunes.
Yeah. 4.1 miles.
This area by observing trail marks. I think they're way behind.
You think so? You think they're way behind?
I'm gonna go check.
Actually, more energy.
Be ready to
My
go.
legs.
Be ready to go.
Spider.
Yep.
Have it. No. You want it?
What?
4.1 miles.